Welcome back, guys, to another video. My name's Aaron. If you didn't already know, if you're not subscribed, what is he doing? Subscribe, like the video before it starts, comment if you want, share this video so it gets noticed, tell everyone you know, turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Today is Friday. If you guys watched my last video when I went to the zoo, I actually got sick that night. I am still sick from that day. I just wanted to pick up the vlog today because I need to make a video. But I'm gonna pick this up another day because I'm not feeling too good right now. I just went to the doctor's. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I got 82 subscribers. You know, I wanted to hit 100 before New Year's, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So hopefully I hit 1,000 before this year ends. That's my goal for this year. So, you know, tell everyone to subscribe. But yeah, thank you guys for everything you guys do. 82 subscribers might not be a lot for many people, but it's a lot for me. But enough of today, let's go to another day where I'm actually feeling better. Alright guys, so it's like a few days later. Today is Sunday. I think the last time I vlogged was Friday. I'm not sure. But as you guys could probably tell, I feel so much better now. I feel good. So, you know, I'm back to the videos. Even when I was sick, I didn't stop recording, you know, or editing. When I went to the doctor's, I actually uploaded one of my videos. So if you haven't gone check that out, go check it out. The link is gonna be in the description. But I don't really have too much to do today. I think I'm gonna pay my ticket. As you guys probably remember if you watched the video, I got a ticket for doing some donuts. So I have to pay that. I got the money now to pay it. So I'm gonna pay that, and in a few minutes, we're actually gonna go see Insidious, I think it's called. It's a scary movie. I'm gonna go see it with my brother, and then I'll tell you guys what I thought of the movie. I'm obviously not gonna record it because it's called like copyright. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Welcome back, guys, to another video. I already did the intro. This is sorry guys, the video has been like everywhere because I haven't gotten some good content, but today it's raining, as you could probably tell, so that means drift session. So we're gonna go drifting right now. I'm gonna record some of it. I'm gonna edit it for my homie Doobie. So this is gonna be my thumbnail, drifting and stuff. We're gonna go drift. You know, this is all professionally done. You know, we're professionally stunt drivers, so don't have to do this. All right, so now let's go to the video.
Never been shit, never had shit, never knew shit, never out, never do shit, damn, but a nigga never gave two shits.
clocked him in the mouth. Oh, that fool swung. That fool swung. Oh, I like that combo. Like, hey,
I thank you guys so much for watching that video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Comment if you want. And share so this video gets noticed. And I'll see you guys next time.